Let's use the financial calculator to calculate the number of time periods or the number of years. This question tells me that if I were to invest $500 today, how long would it take to receive $1,000 if the interest rate per year is 4.5%? I have my financial calculator where I'm instructing with the Texas Instruments IIPlus. I'm going to primarily use the third row. Before I put in my numbers, after I turn the calculator on, I'm going to ensure that I remove or delete any pre-existing stored data. I do so by hitting second, FV, second, enter. This ensures that any existing data is cleared without affecting my present calculations. I need to calculate N, or the number of time periods. I have details on I by Y, interest rate, PV, the present value, PMT, which is taken to be 0 because we don't have any annuity, and the future value of $1,000. So I start with 4.5%, which is the interest rate per year. I'm just going to go from left to right. It's not necessary for you to do the same. I just find it's easier and it helps me. So I'm going to put in my 4.5 and hit enter, setting the interest rate per year to be 4.5%. Recall that for the financial calculator, I don't have to put in a 4.5% or a 0.045, just the 4.5. Next, I move to the present value. I put in a negative 500 because the financial calculator always assumes an investment outcome scenario. So either the PV or the FV have to be negative. Both can't be positive, both can't be negative. If my PV is negative, my FV is positive, and if my PV is positive, my FV is negative. So here I assume that I'm going to invest $500 today. I'm going to receive $1,000. I need to find out when I will receive this. So set my PV to be negative 500. I then move to the PMT. Since I have no annuity payments, my PMT will be 0. So I'm going to put in 0 and set in PMT equal to 0. And finally, $1,000 FV equal to $1,000. I then go ahead and compute the I by Y, compute the N by hitting compute N. Now I get an answer of 15.75, meaning that after 15.75 years, or at time period T equal to 15.75, I will receive $1,000 if I invest $500 today at time period T equal to 0 at an interest rate of 4.5%.